I'm about to run a full route today, and this is why it works. First pool of the day, screened in with a pool cleaner. All right, so I'm leaving the first pool that's caged and netted, and I'm basically driving a couple houses down. It's about 10 seconds, and I'm doing both of these pools. So here's the first one. Then I just come next door. That other one did not have a pool cleaner, but it is caged. And this one does. Those two. Come down the street and take your pull up to this year 5 6 4 seconds. Give them depth. So I'll let them in later. Here I am. Just finished that screen pool. All same community. And here's the last one. This community. Right here, this house on the end. So that's what, about a 20-second drive. Boom. Right now I'm gonna go to another community that I have 6 or 7 pools, and all but one have a pool cleaner in them, and they're all fenced in. So we'll check that out. Again, to the next pool, baby. Alrighty then, and I'm pulling up here, and I'm doing these two houses right next to each other. There you come. I already did the pool. Another pool. Okay. All right. Oh man. There you go. Get out and go to the next area. Here we go. Another nice clean pool. And I just finished up here. That was like 3 houses down. And the next house is, I think, about the same, 3, maybe 4 houses down. This finishes out this neighborhood, but on this street, this was the 3rd house, all screened in, all with pool cleaners. I'll just take it. So this one right here, that's the second one, right? Then a couple, and then this corner house. So that knocks out 3 houses in this neighborhood, or in this section of the neighborhood. So in this neighborhood, there's 7 pools. All of them have screens, and all of them have cleaners. This took me at least 5 years, 6 years. This is a recent trend that now, after 8 years, I can like show off and say, hey, look how nice my route is. If you have a very long-term mindset and saying, hey, I'm gonna be in this for the long haul, at least 5 years, you can definitely get a route this tight, you know, because they see you coming every single week, the neighbors. And then they're like, well, this, you know, my company's not showing up, or they're doing a half-assed job. How's your pool guy? Oh, he's great. He comes all the time. He's nice. It's that consistent. You show up every day for 5 to 6 years, you will start getting others in your neighborhood. Old school word of mouth. So the reason, I mean, having a screen is so important is, I mean, a damn oak tree like this, all those leaves being here, pool would be so unsightly. So yeah, screens equal less debris equals cleaner pool equals less cleaning time. So it's a win for the homeowner, it's a win for me. All right, most of my pools have cleaners so that I'm not wasting my time. I just calculated today on Thursday, I have 22 pools, 17 have cleaners. And that's super, super efficient. And that means I'm not carrying a hose with me to the pool. So less weight, less wear and tear on my body over time. Part 2, I'm not spending 5 to 7 minutes just vacuuming the pool. I clean the pool in 5 to 7 minutes. So that right there doubles my time at each pool. I actually got to the point where I rent vacuums out to my customers.